Emptiness is not a being without getting into the convention. So we need to understand the convention. We need to understand the truth of the convention if we ever hope to understand the ultimate truth. Now, understanding of emptiness is necessary for freedom from suffering. Now Nagarjuna says, the freedom that we talk about, is it something that is? Is it something that has svabhava? Is it something that has its own being? Now he says, no, because the nirvana or the freedom has meaning only for those people who are suffering. Freedom is always freedom from suffering. Had we not the suffering, would we be talking about freedom? We talk about the freedom because we are having suffering. So the nirvana we talk about, so the freedom we talk about, is not something out there beyond this conventional world. It is because the conventional world is. It is because suffering is. And this is what Nagarjuna is harping on. We need to understand that everything in the universe is dependently arising. That is what is dependent arising. And this is what he calls the wisdom. The wisdom is the lack of ignorance. So now this is suffering on the basis of which we understand nirvana, we understand the freedom. Why does it arise? Now why suffering is arising? Now this is where Nagarjuna says, finally it is because of ignorance. Ignorance of what? Ignorance of emptiness. Ignorance of the impermanence. But we cannot get it. We cannot ask for it. We cannot strive to go beyond without the help of the suffering. So what we have in hand, suffering. So it seems that Nagarjuna is denying any escape from suffering. We want to end suffering, escape is not the route. I may think that I will escape the suffering by going to the other, but the other is also suffering because the other is also dependently arising.